guys, it's RoseQ here, and today we are going to be doing some more Animal Jam Classic. I am super excited because I really hope I get 2 diamonds. Oh my god, I got 2 diamonds. I did the member spin yesterday. Oh my god. Guys, we have 3 diamonds. We have 3 diamonds. We have 3 diamonds. Mom!
Yeah?
I can get Mr. Cake! Mr. Cake! Come see! Mr. Cake! There's lynx, lion, gecko, fox, caterpillar, rooster, lemur, ferret, arctic fox, dragonfly, arctic wolf, saber-tooth, koala, panda, octopus, polar bear, dolphin, shark, eagle. But oh my god, we can get Mr. Cake. Okay. Okay, and then I remember how we did it. Like that. Yeah, like that. Let's see. I'm gonna check the footage.
I need to eat something. Are you filming?
Yes.
Oh.
Animal 1. Okay, it was like that. There we go. And next, Mr. Mr. And then we just need cake. We just need cake. Mr. Cake, Mr. Cake. Cake. Where's Cake? Mr. Cake! Oh my god, Mom! It's Mr. Cake! Mr. Cake lives again! Yes! Okay, let's see, is this correct? Animal 1. Like that.
The one.
Okay, guys, we did it. We brought back Mr. Cake! Yes! And he's rambunctious? Oh!
He likes jelly beans too much.
He likes jelly beans? His chemistry? Ah! Mr. Cake, yes! Yes! Can I get pet toys? I found that. I need to go to class. Let's stop. Oh, you can give me a maze. I love that. Oh my god, no. Mom.
Do it, Allie. Oh my gosh. Come on.
Our cat just like jumped to super height.
Watch.
I saw that. I saw it.
He did it from a standstill.
Jumped like
That's
2 feet.
No, that's like 5 feet.
We jumped like 5 feet.
This is 2 feet. He jumped like 5 feet.
Whoa! You did it to that. But oh my god, Mom, I'm freaking out. Look at Mr. Cake. You can't look at this and tell me it's not the cutest thing you've ever seen. Mom, look at this. Hey, look at. Do you see this?
This is 6 feet. Do it. Yeah. That's really cute.
Yes. Oh.
He's gonna try. He's gonna try 6 feet. I feel like we should enter him in competition.
Oh wait. Oh my god, that butterfly is a jetpack. Wait, the butterfly is a jetpack.
Ollie, you're amazing. You're amazing. Okay, I need to eat.
Alright. Let's see. You know who we should have? We should have a pet sugar glider. You get a hamsters and steaks and puppies and dogs and cats. But the only true pet there will ever be is Mr. Cake. There will only be Mr. Cake and Mr. Cake only. Guys, we got Mr. Cake. We got him. Okay, but guys, today we're going to be doing some more decoration and hopefully some underseas adventures.
Yeah, but you only have a few minutes to play, remember?
Alright, so let's go to our den and see what we have, because I got a couple of furniture. Yeah, we got the lamps. This rug is going out of here. Got a shooting star rug. You want everything's going out of here. Gonna be the coolest stand you ever saw. Alright, so oh, I love Mr. Cake so much. Wait. Oh, it's decoration. I thought it was like this is just stuffed animal. Okay. So we need, of course, the archway. You know, let's put the window right here. Definitely the sofa. And then we can't forget the rug and the chair. And then the lamp. And let's put this right here. You know what, this looks amazing, but the only thing that could make it better is these amazing phantom vines, which I'm going to put right here. So let's see, we have our den. Okay, so Mom, this is my amazing den. You walk in, there's some phantom vines.
Cool.
We got an archway, and then we have our house.
Love it.
Yes. And I'm going to be saving up some gems so that I can get let's go to Coral Canyons, and I'm saving up some gems so that I can get it's 500. Wait. I'm saving up gems so I can get this amazingness, the mushroom hut. Last time I checked it was 200. Okay. Yeah. But it is like the cheapest here. One of the cheapest. So we're gonna be saving up some gems. And we gotta play some gem games. So let's see. Let's do Spider Zapper. That looks scary. Let's do single. I don't like this. Ah. These are scary spiders. Okay, I'm leaving. This is scary. Alright, but we gotta save up 500 gems. So let's go. No, I'm feeling good. Let's do some Phantom Fighter. This looks really cool. Looks chill. Oh. Man, I remember this was so hard. Okay, let's go. Got this. What's this? Let's go. No! Alright, we got one left. I hate this game. This is not fun. Alright, let's, we still got this. So I think, let's go... We're gonna go underwater. Let's go underwater. Pill bugs. Whee! Murder pig. Temple of Zeus. Oh yeah, I can go in here. Let's go. I want Mr. Cake to come with me though. Alright, let's go. And I made an ocean animal. So we are Blossom Sunny Kelp. Oh, they cost gems, not... Oh, well, the cutest ones. Hey, Alexa. Alright, so let's see. Let's get a jellyfish. Oh my god, I love these eyes. Let's do this one. But these eyes.
Your video?
Alright. And then let's just this. Kitty pile. Aww. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's episode. I thank you guys so much for doing this. And for watching this with me. I don't know. But well, oh, excuse me. And stay safe. Have a wonderful day. And stay rosy. A goodbye.